Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 14. In a rhombus, the given figure is rhombus. The rhombus is named by P, W, X, Y, Z, and W, X, Y is 108 degree. We have to find X. First, we have to find X, Z, Y. X, Z, Y means that this angle is of a degree. I am giving it name as X degree. Second, we have to find X, Y, Z. X, Y, and Z. X, Y, Z, this complete angle X, Y, Z, this complete angle, I am giving it name as B degree. The second, we have to find X, W, Y. X, W, Y, this is C degree. So there are some properties of rhombus which we have already studied. In rhombus, all the sides are equal. This side, this side, this side, this side are equal, and these are the two diagonals, and diagonals always bisect the angle, means that this angle must be equal to this angle. If it is C degree, it must be C degree. It is A degree, it must be A degree, and these two angles must be equal. These two angles must be equal. So, and second is the opposite angles are equal, means that this complete angle must be equal to this complete angle. This complete angle must be equal to this complete angle. Secondly, the diagonals always intersect at 90 degree in the rhombus figure. So as opposite angles opposite angles are equal and diagonal bisects the angle. So it means that if it is a degree, it is also A degree. So it means that Y, Z, W will be of 2A degree. So it means that W, X, Y, which is given 108 degree, must be equal to Y, Z, W. This angle W, X, Y 108, this must be equal to this angle, and it means that X, Y, Z, X, Y, W, X, Y, Z, W. W, X, Z, which is 108, it must be equal to this complete angle, which is Y, Z, W. So it means that Y, Z, W is 2A. 2A is equals to 108 degree. So A must be equal to 108 divided by 2, which is 54 degree. So it means that the first angle which we have to find, X, Z, Y, which is 54 degree. So moving to the second part, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, this complete angle. So to find this complete angle, I am considering a triangle. In triangle X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, as it is 108 degree, it means that diagonal bisect the angle. It means that it is 54 degree, it is also 54 degree, means that it is of 54 degree and it also be of 54 degree. So it means that this is 54 degree, this is 54 degree, this is A, which is also 54, and this complete is B, which we have to find is equals to 180 degree. So 54 plus 54 plus B is equals to 180 degree. So B will be equal to 180 minus 54 minus 54, which is 72 degree. So the second unknown is XYZ, which is denoted by B and which is 72 degree. Moving to the last part which we have to find is XWY. XWY means that this angle. To find this angle, I am considering the triangle XYW. XYW, this triangle. This is we have calculated this complete angle as 72 degree. So it means that if diagonal bisect the angle, so it must be of 36 degree and it must be of 36 degree. So it means that in this triangle, this is 36 degree, this complete angle is of 108 degree, and this is C will make 180 degree. So it means that C must be equal to 180 minus 108 plus 30 144. So C must be equal to 180 minus 144, which is 36 degree. So the first which we have to find is x, z, y. It is denoted by A and it is 54 degree. The second which we have to find is x, y, z. The central angle is y. We have named is as B, which is 72 degree. And the third which we have to find is x, w, y. We have named it as C and it is of 36 degree. So this is question number 14. In the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.